Hello everyone, we all know the kind of cases that have been increasing, especially given the second wave that has started in our country, India. I would want to request all of you to please take your precautions, wear your mask, sanitize, boost your immunity and take care of yourself, your loved ones and go out only when necessary. Let's be responsible citizens and stop the spread of the COVID-19 virus. I'm doing my bit as much as I can. I have created a highlight on my Instagram as well for all the COVID leads and resources and anything, any requirement. If you guys need any lead, please do mention me in the story with all the details or DM me and I would love to help you out. Thank you. Stay safe. Hey guys, this is Ashnoor Kaur and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to take you guys through 3 healthy lifestyle habits because obviously given the current scenario that we are in, the pandemic that's going on globally, it is very important to first keep our immunity safe and also to keep our health as our priority. So these are some habits that we all somewhere know but we don't tend to follow them. So let me take you through that, and I guess we should keep this in mind that we follow them and do it religiously, precisely for ourselves, for our safety, and also make our family members, our loved ones do that so that their health is on like the top-notch level and we're all safe and healthy. Let's go. So the first and foremost thing I feel is taking care of our lungs. So that we can do by performing several breathing exercises and increasing the size and the functional capacity of the lungs. So breathing exercises are very important in the current scenario. It also relaxes your mind given the news that we're all hearing these days. So it calms down the nerves and increases the functioning of the lungs. The second very important thing is eating healthy. Now eating healthy, I mean you should have nutritious food, a well-balanced diet and chew your food properly so that the nutrients are absorbed inside your body. But somewhere we all know that the daily food that we eat isn't able to fulfill our daily nutrition requirements. Which is why guys, I have been using the Wow Life Science Multivitamin for Women capsules. So basically my mom has put me to this habit because it is very important to have something that is formulated to kind of enhance your metabolism, to have healthy muscles and bones and keep your energy levels elevated and all the good things. So mom has always put this up that good healthy food plus activity plus Wow capsules equals to wellness. So the Wow capsules are like a healthy treat for women. It is powered with 11 microminerals and 12 essential vitamins, trace minerals and 5 specialized blends. The first blend is natural blend. Second, digestive blend. Third, brain health blend. Fourth, heart health blend. And fifth, eye health blend. So this comes like in a pack of 60 vegetarian capsules in this one box. And what I really like about this is that all Wow products are manufactured in India. So Swatantra Bharat, Atmanirbhar Bharat, Swadeshi products aap use kijiye. So that's one thing I really like about it. And all these products are made with like natural ingredients that are very safe to use. 100% vegetarian, 100% gluten free, 100% stearate free. So that's a really good thing. I kind of like take one capsule every day at any point of time. Also guys, the best part is they are so transparent and so real with their ingredients and the authenticity that they've actually provided like a QR code on the package. You can scan with any QR scanner and check the authenticity. Get points for every scan to redeem on the next purchase. Guys, also another interesting thing is that they've recently launched their own app, so you can go and check it out because buying these products there will be much more easier, and also they keep running these specific offers on their app, so do check it out. Otherwise, these products are also available on buywow.in, Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. I'll be mentioning the purchase link in the description box below, so you can surely check it out.
Third, penning your thoughts down. I feel it's really important to check on your mental health and your feelings and emotions and keep track of them during these times. Just stay positive, write it down or share it with your loved ones.
So guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and please do take care, stay safe everybody, and take care of your health. Do follow these lifestyle tips, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to not miss any update. Also, fan of the week is Kashish. I read a very sweet comment. Thank you so much for that. She's also mentioned a proud Ashnoor in the bracket, so that's really sweet. Lots of love back to you. And those of you who haven't been the fan of the week yet, guys, you can comment below with your name and have subscribed, so I might take your name in my next video. Till then, lots of love. Take care. Stay safe.